In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stickers in Trello. Stickers are a fun and effective way to visually organize your Trello boards, whether you're looking to highlight important tasks, mark progress, or simply add a personal touch. Stickers can make your workflow more engaging and intuitive. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the process of adding stickers to your Trello cards, including how to use the built-in options and even upload custom stickers. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Trello and log into your account. If you're already logged in, great. You're all set to proceed. Once you're in, navigate to the specific board where you plan to use stickers. This can be any board you've already created or one you're collaborating on. Now, look toward the upper right corner of your board. You'll see an option labeled Show Menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will expand the menu where you can access various tools and features for your board. From this menu, locate and select Stickers. It should be right there in the list, waiting for you to explore. Once you've opened the Stickers menu, you'll see a gallery of stickers available for use. Take a moment to browse through the collection. There are plenty of options to choose from, so find one that suits your needs or matches the vibe you're going for. When you've found a sticker you'd like to use, click on it, hold, and drag it onto the front of a card on your board. You can place it directly on the card cover. As soon as you release the sticker, it will be dropped into place and you'll see it appear right on the card. If you'd like to go beyond the default stickers and add a personal touch, you can upload a custom sticker to do this. Scroll down within the stickers menu until you spot the plus icon. Click on that and a file selection window will pop up. From here, choose an image file from your device that you want to use as a custom sticker. Once uploaded, it will be available for you to drag and drop onto your cards, just like the default stickers. Now, if you ever want to remove a sticker from a card, it's easy. Simply hover over the sticker you've placed, and you'll see an option to remove it. This might appear as an X or a remove button, depending on the interface. Click on that, and the sticker will disappear from the card. One final tip: you can stack multiple stickers on a single card. This is a great way to signal different priorities, statuses, or even workflow stages. Feel free to experiment and create a system that works best for you. And that's it. You now know how to add, customize, and manage stickers in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.